Formal nang idinawit si dating presidential spokesperson Harry Roque sa reklamong qualified human trafficking kaugnay sa operasyon ng isang Philippine Offshore Gaming Operator o POGO sa Porac, Pampanga. Ayon kay Prosecutor Darwin Cañete ng Interagency Council Against Trafficking, may aktibong partisipasyon umano si Roque sa mga proseso ng Lucky South 99 POGO ayon sa testimonya ni Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation o PAGCOR Assistant Vice President Jessa Maris Fernandez. Mari namang itinanggi ni Roque ang mga paratang at sinabing walang basihan ang mga ito at handa siyang harapin ang kaso upang linisin ang kanyang pangalan.
Well, there is a statement or testimony from Attorney Jessa Maris Fernandez, the Assistant Vice President of PAGCOR, that last July 26, 2022, Respondent Roque and Cassandra Ong went to their office to have a meeting with PAGCOR. No? Mayroon ding judicial affidavits, Attorney Fernandez, that Attorney Roque made several follow-ups with her on the status of the application of the renewal of the online gambling license of Lucky South. No?